Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So you're reading this right. I found 4 penny items, but the cashier wanted to charge me $16 for my 4 penny items. So I think this might have happened to me once before in the past, and I just walked away from my transaction, and I was ready to do the same because this wasn't the haul of all hauls. It was like 4 little items that should have rang up. They rang up for a penny at the register, but something weird happened. So we're going to talk about it in today's story time. And if this ever happens to you, just to give you some information on how to deal with this. So yesterday there was a huge penny list on the 20th, and the 21st I went out looking for more pennies. I know I'm not going to find the big bonanza, but there might be a couple, diamonds in the rough. And I found 2 after bites and 2 of these party bags, and they all rang up a penny in the app. At the register, they also rang up a penny. The cashier that was in front of me, I've never seen this kid before. He was a younger guy, and he rang up all 4 items. And then he went back in to all 4 items and see the price of the products, $4.25 for the afterbite or $3.75 for those bags. He went and changed all the prices. He tallied it out, and it was like $16. And I looked at him and smiled and said, "Those are 4 penny items. I don't know why I'm being charged full price." And then he said something to the effect to me that these were from last summer and he can't sell them to me for that price. And there is the excuse that they come up with right on the fly to get you to pay for it and just to be quiet. And I actually am an experienced penny shopper to some degree. And I said, no, it's not how this is supposed to go. There was a manager from an earshot. I did not get loud. I did not get aggressive. The manager came over and she's like, "What's going on?" I said, "Hey, these 4 items rang up for a penny, but then he changed the price to full price." Immediately, the manager's like, "We can't do that. If she found penny items, we have to sell them for a penny." She's like, "We should have got them off the floor. We didn't. And now they're sold for a penny." They voided the transaction, re-rang them, and I was on my merry little way. I paid 4 cents, but what an odd thing. And the fact that the cashier could go back into the item and change the price point, he knew what he was doing, and he does not like penny shoppers. It's not like you can go on the Dollar General website and find the whole list about penny shopping, and showing them something that's been screenshotted 180 times isn't also the way to do it. But thankfully, a really nice manager was there to help me, and she was amazing. And she actually told him right in front of me, she's like, "You can't do that." It was really something. So in the future, if this would ever happen to me, I think it happened once before in the past, and I just walked away from the sale, and it was the same thing, like 1 item for a penny, and they wanted to charge me full price. Just ask for the floor manager or store manager, or you can always say, "Hey, could you keep these in the back for me?" And you can call somebody at head office to sort through this, because if it rings up a penny, that's what the price should be. They can't change the price on you from a penny to, $4.25 per item. Be polite. Do not get emotional, like crying in front of these employees or getting aggressive. You'll always find more pennies, and try and stay calm. And I know it's an impossible situation, but that's the best way to do it. And this other manager made it completely right, and she actually apologized, which was like, wow. So it's just a really weird thing, but I think the cashier knew what he was doing, and it was very obvious if he was changing the price. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. And then on my way home, I stopped at another store, found one little diary book for a penny. These ones with the bands on the side. Found it for a penny, and I was happy to find that. And the cashier knew me, rang it up. I paid 1 cent, and that was it. No arguments, no ringing this up for $2.70. It was just easy. Okay, and the final thing for Christmas, there's a lot of items that are still 70% off, and they had one store that had a lot of stuff. All the tags that I wanted for $1, so I'd be paying 30 cents. I just went and got them. And then those hot cocoa ornaments, they are absolutely adorable. I've had my eye on them. I think it was 90 cents for the 3, so I paid under $4 for all this. The Febreze bathroom, by chance I found one. I believe now it's 70% off, so I think it's like $1. And with that $2.50 digital, it's completely free. All of the systems at where I live are all updated, so there is no more overage. Before in the past we used to get overage on items, but not anymore. But I still got it for free, and that was a great little find. They've been really hard to find, but for whatever reason at this magic store with all the tags, I found one, so I was really happy about that. So yeah, I just decided I wasn't going to wait on this Christmas stuff. I was just worried if they packed it all up at this location, I wouldn't be able to get my tags, and for 30 cents, I rolled the dice on that one. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one, and let me know in the comments down below what you would do if your cashier at Dollar General took your penny items and rang them up for full price.